Do you know which flowers attract pollinators the most? Pollinators play a crucial role in our gardens, helping plants to reproduce and thrive. Attracting them is not just beneficial, but essential. Today, we'll explore the top 5 flowers that pollinators simply can't resist. First on our list, we have the radiant sunflowers. These bright blooms offer a large, easy target for pollinators, brimming with an abundant supply of pollen. Sunflowers are not just beautiful, but also a feast for our buzzing friends. And next, we have the fragrant lavender. This plant's potent aroma and vibrant purple hue are irresistible to bees and butterflies alike. Its nectar-rich flowers provide a bountiful feast, making lavender a delightful treat for our pollinators. Coming in third, we have the resilient coneflowers. Their sturdy structure and vivid colors are irresistible to a variety of pollinators. Butterflies, bees, and even hummingbirds can't resist their allure. Coneflowers are truly a magnet for pollinators. Fourth on our list, we have the vibrant zinnias. Bursting with color, these flowers are a magnet for butterflies. Their rich nectar and pollen make them essential in the pollination process. Undoubtedly, zinnias are a butterfly's paradise. Last, but definitely not least, we have the golden marigolds. Bursting with vibrant hues and an enticing aroma, these flowers are irresistible to bees. Their charm lies in their color and scent, making marigolds a true bee haven. So there you have it, the top 5 flowers that are irresistible to pollinators. Sunflowers, lavender, coneflowers, zinnias, and marigolds each bring unique benefits to our buzzing friends. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!